Hello everyone, and today we're going to be doing some more grinding. This time we're going to be grinding some jasper. I found a nice piece of jasper here. It's the biggest bit that I've found on the beach so far, but it's still relatively small. I've seen a lot bigger pieces in the mines in town. So I'm just going to try and cut it down into a nice little square or something using the diamond grinder. Let's get into it. I've got a first nice flat edge over there on the top. It doesn't look too bad. I'm going to just continue working it. Second edge done. Right, we have made, if I just zoom out a bit so you can see it, a nice little square of jasper. This is the first piece of jasper I've cut. It's still warm. It's not perfect, it's got a slight bit of an angle there. Might have to round that up. But we've made a little cube of jasper, which is quite nice. One thing I'm interested to see actually is what it looks like wet. So I'm just going to go over here and wet it a little bit to see if we get a slightly nicer looking piece of jasper. If it looks dry, and we'll just wet it. Look at that. A very nice looking red colour. A very smooth looking piece of red jasper in the shape of a sort of a cube. Anyway, that's my cool little jasper gem that I've made today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.